Welcome students in my this so yeah, in this lecture and chapter number 1 of the 12th standard, that is differentiation. Subunit, that is second subunit of this chapter, is derivatives of the inverse function. And what is the derivative of the inverse function? First we take the inverse functions. What are the inverse functions? This is suppose one kind of the function, that is y is equal to f of x, and whenever this function is 1 and onto, then only we differentiate the inverse function and we find the derivative of the given function by using the derivatives of the inverse function. Let us, what are the inverse functions and what kind of the derivatives of these functions? Let us take now. Suppose y is equal to f of x, it is the function, one kind of the function. This function is written in terms of x, y is written in terms of x. Then we differentiate this function with respect to x. This becomes dy by dx is equal to f inverse of x. But here, what are the inverse function of this function? That is, inverse function of this function is written as, that is, x is written in terms of y, means y is equal to f of x is the function which is written as y is written in terms of x, but the inverse function is written as like x is equal to f inverse of y, means x is in terms of y. Then we have to differentiate this x with respect to y, means dx divided by dy, that is d by dx of f inverse of y. That is the derivative of this x with respect to y, that is dx by dy is equal to d by dy. Okay, dx upon dy means derivative of this x with respect to y. Here it is written as d by dy of f inverse of y, means the inverse function, and derivative of this inverse function is dx by dy. These differentiations, that is dy by dx and dx upon dy, are reciprocals of one another. See one example for clearing the inverse functions. Okay, how to differentiate the inverse function? Let us first take this in terms of x in terms of y, which is given here, that y is in terms of x, y is given in terms of x. First step is this is written in the format of x in terms of y. Then only we find the inverse function, derivative of the inverse function. Okay, let us take one example. Suppose the given example, that is function, the given function is like that. Suppose y is equal to 2x minus 3. This is given to us. This is function of x. Y is equal to f of x, because y is given in terms of x. Then we have to differentiate this y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. The derivative of this x is 1, and coefficient 2 keep as it is and take the derivative of this x is 1, that 2 into 1 is 2, minus this is 3, this is a constant function and the derivative of this constant function is 0. Therefore, derivative of this given function y is equal to f of x, that is it is given as y in terms of x. Okay, dy by dx becomes 2, then y in terms of x, but the inverse function of this given function is, how to write it as, that y is equal to f of x means inverse function is equal to, that is x is equal to f inverse of y, means write the given function x in terms of y. Okay, that y is equal to 2x minus 3, it is written in terms of y, that is it becomes y minus 3 becomes y plus 3 divided by 2. This becomes x in terms of y. This is the inverse function of this given function. Then differentiate with respect to y. Dx by dy is equal to d by dy of y plus 3 divided by 2 taken out of the differentiation, that is d by dy of y plus 3. Take the derivative of this y with respect to y, it becomes 1. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus derivative of this 3 is 0. Therefore, it becomes 0 into 1 upon 2 into 1 becomes 1 upon 2 dx upon dy. See here, the given function and derivative of this and inverse of the given function is x is equal to f inverse of y, means x is written in terms of y, then we get the derivative dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon 2. From these two derivatives, dy by dx and dx upon dy, from these two we can say that these two derivatives are reciprocals of each other. Derivative of y with respect to x becomes 2 and derivative of x with respect to y becomes 1 upon 2, means reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the inverse function, derivative of the inverse function, okay, these two processes are inverse, that is these are the reciprocals of each other, that is it can be written as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Okay, this is the reciprocal of this, dy by dx is the reciprocal of dx upon dy. Okay, let us consider or not. Okay, this is clear, this point is clear, go through this, I will come back. Coming back to the examples of this type, find the derivative of the given function by using the inverse of the derivative. Okay, now what is the question here? Question is there, find the derivative of y is equal to f of x by using the derivative of inverse function. The question is of that type. Find the derivative of y is equal to f of x by using the derivative of inverse function. Okay, that is x is equal to, what is the inverse function? X is equal to f inverse of y. Let us go to the examples. Suppose first y is equal to, suppose, under root of x. First write this function in terms of y. This x is written in terms of y. This is given as like y is equal to f of x, and this x can be written in the form of inverse function, that is x is equal to f inverse of y. By using, we have to simply take the derivative of this function, that is y is equal to root of x, but we have to find out the derivative by using the inverse function, that is x is equal to f inverse of y. Therefore, y is equal to root of x, then y square is equal to what? Y square is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to y square. This is in terms of y. X in terms of y. And here y in terms of x. Then we know that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. And taking the derivative of this, derivative of dx with respect to y, we get 1 upon d by dy of what? Y square. That is y square, and dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. This y is written in terms of x. What is y? Y is equal to root of x. And we get the derivative of the given function by using the derivative of inverse function. That is 2 into root of x. Students, go through this example first and we will go to the next. First write it as y is equal to f of x, and then go to the inverse function, that is f inverse of y, and then it becomes in terms of x first, that is y square is equal to x. Take this in terms of y, that is x is equal to y square. Okay student, next example. Let us taking the next example. Y is equal to log of x. Y is equal to log of x. We are in the second subunit, finding the derivative of the given function by using the inverse function. Okay, and y is equal to log of x. It is given in terms of x. Y is given in terms of x. We have to find x in terms of y, finding the derivative of the given function by using the inverse function. Let us, what is the base of this law? This is e, because it is a natural logarithm. Whenever there is not given to us that the base of the logarithm then we consider it is a natural logarithm and the base is e. Therefore, it becomes x is equal to e raised to y. This logarithmic function is taken in the exponential format, and this y, which is written in terms of x, we have to write it as x in terms of y. Then we have to find out the derivative of this by using dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy by using the inverse function, that is equal to 1 upon, what is x here? X is differentiating this x with respect to y, it becomes e raised to y. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon derivative of e raised to y with respect to y becomes e raised to y. Then dy by dx is equal to, from this we put the value of e raised to y. E raised to y is equal to x. Therefore, putting the value of e raised to y is x. That is equal to 1 upon x. This is the derivative of the given function by using the inverse function. Going through next example. Take first this example. Using this rule, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Reciprocal of the dy by dx. We are simply using, and these inverse functions are differentiable only when this function is 1 1 and 1 2, which is studied in the last year in the 11th standard in the chapter function. Okay. Going to the third example. For this, that is y is equal to cube root of x plus 4. Cube root of x plus 4. This is y given in terms of x, that is y is equal to f of x. We have to find out that y is equal to f of x is given, then x is equal to f inverse of y. Therefore, we find out the x in terms of y. On cubing both sides, we get y cube is equal to x plus 4. On cubing, we get y cube is equal to x plus 4. Then, what is x here? Turn out this 4 in the left side, then y cube minus 4 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to y cube minus 4. This becomes x in terms of y. Taking the differentiation of this, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon d by dy of x. What is x here? Y cube minus 4. Y cube minus 4. The derivative of y cube is 2y square minus 4. It is a constant, therefore the derivative of this is 0. Okay, that is equal to 1 upon 2y square. Then putting the value of this y using this, that y is equal to cube root of x plus 4. That is 1 upon 2 cube root of 2 into cube root of x plus 4 and bracket square. This is the derivative of the given function. This becomes 3y square. Okay. This is derivative of this y cube is 3y square. This 3y square. Go through this example now. Let us take the next example, that is y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to under root of 1 plus root of x. Y is equal to under root of 1 plus root of x. This is written in the terms of x. Y is written in terms of x. We have to write x in terms of y. When it becomes on squaring, we get y square is equal to 1 plus root of x. Y square is equal to 1 plus root of x. Let us take this root of x is equal to y square minus 1. Then root of x becomes x only when on squaring both sides we get x is equal to y square minus 1 bracket square only. Then find the dy by dx. Dy by dx is 1 upon dy by dx. We have to find the dy by dx, that is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Therefore, derivative of the given function with respect to x is equal to reciprocal of the derivative of the x with respect to y. Therefore, d by dy of x. What is x here? X is y square minus 1 bracket square. Y square minus 1 bracket square. Taking the derivative of this, we get 1 upon 2 into y square minus 1 bracket raised to 2 minus 1. Derivative of this is 2 into y square minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 into take the derivative of this y square minus 1, that is 2y minus 0 means 2y. There it becomes 2 into 2 is 4y, y square minus 1. Putting the values of this y from this. What is y square and what is y? Putting the values of this, we get 1 upon 4y. Y is under root of 1 plus root of x in bracket y square. Y square means 1 plus root of x. 1 plus root of x minus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. By simplifying it, get 1 upon 4 root of x into root of 1 plus root of x, that is dy by dx. Okay students, take this example and we go number of problems in the next lecture. Go through this, take down this, and thank you for watching my video. I will come back for the next lecture.